So what's the difference between a bank and a credit union? Well, that's a lot like asking the difference between a turkey and a chicken, or turnips and parsnips, or Cool Whip and whipped cream. All of which, if you ate together, would be disgusting. Please tell me you're not doing that. Anyway, now it's true that banks and credit unions provide a similar array of financial services like savings and checking accounts, mortgages, loans, things like that. But if we delve a little deeper, we can see that credit unions are decidedly different. Unlike banks, credit unions are cooperatives, which means they are member-owned. So you don't need to have deep pockets to feel like you own the place, because you already do, and anybody can join. With equal vote, equal share, and equal say for every member, credit unions could put more earnings back in your pockets by offering better member benefits, such as affordable loans or low-fee accounts. Now, one of the major benefits of credit unions are their ding-free ATM network. Now, that means that any member can walk into a credit union ATM, not into, but to, can't walk into the ATM, unless you have your eyes closed. Anyway, you can walk up to the ATM as a member and take money out and not be hit with surcharges. That's awesome. Another thing is, all decisions made by credit unions are made locally, as opposed to in another province or even in another country. Credit unions are also dedicated to helping the community that they're a part of through donations, sponsorships, and volunteer work. And with dedication like that, it's no wonder that credit unions are getting some of the top rankings and a lot of awards for their customer service. So, now that we know more about the differences between banks and credit unions, we can go back to some of those other things, like turkeys are mean and chickens are dumb, but both taste great with mashed potatoes. And mashed yams, actually. So the difference between mashed potatoes and mashed yams are that mashed yams are like kind of sweet, mashed potatoes are kind of savory, but both taste great when followed up with a nice bit of pie. Now, the difference between apple pie and rhubarb pie is that apple pie is delicious and rhubarb pie is gross. But both taste great. Well, rhubarb pie never tastes great.